one thing about SEO is that you can rank well, but if the piece of the blurb that people see isn't attractive, people won't click, and then it actually will make your rankings decrease.
This video is brought to you by EpiPie's Academy.
So the click-through rate is very, very important. And to increase your click-through rate, something very powerful you can do is write amazing headlines. So I'm going to post this link here at the end of the video, but let's go through together. And this is a list of 31 great kind of templates for headlines, right? So you don't have to think about it. So you can see and you can recognize these online, right? You can recognize these because I'm sure we've all clicked on these things, right? You can, the number one thing is the quick and easy way to do XYZ, right? So instead of writing something like tutorial for XYZ, which is boring, right? Here's the quick and easy way to blah, 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 right? You can do the quick and easy way to set up your website. Or number of things I learned from something, right? That's kind of interesting because it's unique and it has the promise of something. Or number 3, how to the anatomy of doing something perfectly, or right, how to achieve good results essentially. Surprising way to do something, right? So number 4 is good because people think like, oh, maybe I haven't seen this before. And then there's the how-to kind of things, how to do this, how to avoid that, how to do this despite that, right? How to get more accomplished, because we've all seen these things, how to accomplish more with less, blah, 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 these sort of things. So these headlines are very common. And, if you start using them, and I've been using them and it's been working, it's very effective. Especially when, like I mentioned earlier in my earlier videos, if you use hashtags and if you use social updates and you want to amplify your reach, one of the great ways to naturally, organically amplify your reach is to write great headlines and then use hashtags and then boost all those things, and so you get the best of all worlds. And this is how you tweet like a pro, kind of. Okay, so and then these are, I guess, get rid of a problem. That's a really good one, because if you have a problem, you want to get rid of it, whatever it is. Something blah 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 blah. Yeah, do something like a pro. I use this one a lot, actually. Like when I promote my marketing book, I go like, promote your business like a pro, or something like that. It exudes confidence. Why you need this? Yeah, ways to do this. Why you need that? This is, number 14 is kind of repeating number 12 here. So you guys get it, right? So just use these headlines. I don't want to go through all of them because the video will become too long. And then these, well, I'll kind of go through them a little bit. Here is interesting because in the yellow you see number of ways to do this number of ways for that, number of things that. These are called listicles, and people click on them. All these like top 10 ways to do that, top 10 ways to do that, top 7 ways to do this. People click on them because they kind of hope that at least one of those or two of those ways will be helpful. And then the ultimate guide is really helpful. Like I know my friend Nick Loper. I've seen him use that a few times, and it was pretty effective in his headlines. He's from the site hustlenation.com. If you check that out, his podcast and blog and things like that. So everything you need to know about. So favorite. So these are like the ultimate things, right? So also exudes a lot of confidence, these particular ones. So try them. Don't just tweet. Whenever you tweet or whenever you put a Facebook up, whenever you are working on a Facebook update, instead of the text that you are gonna put, find a similar headline here and structure it in the way that this article suggests. Because if you do that, these are primed. They have been proven to get more engagement. These headlines. So instead of yours, try to see how you can make yours more like these, and hopefully that will get you a little bit more natural, organic, extra click-throughs and things like that. And just a little bit of extra click-throughs can go a big way if that helps you rank. So these things are all connected. So try it, and I hope that helps. So this is a very powerful thing to get traffic, get more traffic, and ultimately improve your SEO, and ultimately improve your social media, because these things are all really connected, because headlines are everywhere. And by the way, also if you want to get publicity, you need headlines, right? Because people see the headline first, and that forces them, that they only sometimes see the headline. So it's the only one chance you get to convince them is with your headline. So this is it can be monumentally important. Just a simple headline, but very, very important. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. So if you found this video helpful, I have a full book and a full course teaching you how to become a great marketer. The book is for people who want to learn by reading, and the course is a video-based course for people who want to learn by watching video. And they both cover approximately the same material, so you get one or the other. And they really teach you, things that I did to reach 1 million people with my business. So it's all things that worked for me, and all the strategies that are effective. And I don't teach you any of the things that, I've had so many trials and errors that didn't work. I don't teach you that. I really teach you the stuff that works, and I teach you actionable things as well as high-level strategies. And the things that go into these are offline marketing and online marketing, including like SEO, social media marketing, and it's pretty. I started at beginner levels, but I get to pretty advanced things. And even if you're an experienced marketer, I'm sure that you'll have things to learn here. And especially if you're a new marketer, oh boy, this is going to blow your mind. Because I really packed a lot of good strategies here. And you can see the book has 158 pages, so it's a pretty full book. It's got nice reviews. It's, you can see the, where's the curriculum? Not here. But here's also the course. And here's my course. It has 1,200 students who've already taken it, over 5 hours of lectures and 66 lectures. Also has nice reviews. Things like that. Also, feel free to contact me if you have questions about whether the course is right for you, or the book is right for you, or for what you are trying to accomplish. And especially if you want discounts on the course, I can give you that as well. So send me an email, and check for links in the description of the video to the book and the course, and to my email if you want to email me with questions.